Hello, in today's video I will be introducing you with ChatGPT, a virtual assistant powered by OpenAI GPT 3.5 architecture. So, ChatGPT is a language model that can help you with a variety of tasks, from answering questions to generating text. ChatGPT is designed to mimic human language and understanding, which means it can converse with your natural and inviting way. You can ask it questions, give it a command, or simply chat with it like you would with a friend. The more you interact with the ChatGPT, the better it gets at understanding your needs and preferences. One of the most impressive things about ChatGPT is its ability to generate human-like text. You can ask it to write a story, compose an email, or even generate code snaps. With advanced language capabilities, ChatGPT can create text that is only grammatically correct but also coherent and engaging. Another great feature by ChatGPT it is versatility. You can access through a variety of channels such as web application, chatbots, and voice assistants. That makes a ChatGPT flexible and convenient tool for anyone who needs assistance with language related tasks. So, like me, I asked it what are the benefits for ChatGPT virtual assistants, and it gives us a few of his benefits that he can do, like 24/7 availability, speed and efficiency, and so on and so on. Now, you might be wondering what can ChatGPT do for me specifically? Well, the possibilities are endless. If you're a student, ChatGPT can help you with your homework or generate research papers. If you're for business owner, ChatGPT can assist with customer services, generate marketing materials, and if you're just looking for a friendly chat, ChatGPT can you keep your company and entertain you. So you can also have an example. Can you give me an example for ChatGPT assisting a customer if you have a business? Okay, sure, you can read it. Customer everything. It's a little script that ChatGPT is doing for example, but it works in the same way for your business that you're making. In summary, ChatGPT is an innovative virtual assistant that can assist you with a variety of language-related tasks. It's versatile, intelligent, and easy to use. So if you haven't already given ChatGPT a try, see how it can help you in your daily life. So thank you guys for attention. I hope you enjoyed this information. Give it a try, play with it, see what it can does, use it. If you like this video, leave a like, a subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.